Hi, Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking broccoli. We're going to be using it in a side dish. And broccoli is a really great vegetable. It's high in fiber, which helps us feel full longer. It helps fight inflammation, and it also may prevent cancer. Very easy recipe. I got everything in front of me. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. Let's get started. Now I have some broccoli crowns here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into florets. So it's just like trimming a tree. I'm going to go along every single floret here, and I'm just going to cut them into pieces. And don't worry about if some of them are bigger than others. They'll all cook pretty evenly. We'll cut up our bell pepper into about 3/4 inch pieces. Just similar size pieces. Now we'll get the juice of half a lemon, and I like to do it into a cup like this because I can get the seeds out. And then we'll just roughly cut some almonds for a garnish. And then we'll just quarter some of these grape tomatoes and use them as a garnish as well. Now we're going to pan spray our preheated pan, and we're just going to add our broccoli, and then we're going to add some water, 3/4 of a cup, and we're going to steam these for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now that the majority of the water is evaporated, the broccoli becomes a really nice bright color. So we're going to add our bell pepper, our granulated garlic, and our black pepper. I'm going to stir this really well. And then we'll add a little bit of oil. Stir well again. We're going to cook this uncovered for about 3 to 5 minutes. And right before service here, we'll add our lemon juice. Stir that again really well. And then we'll remove it to a serving platter. We'll put some of our quartered tomatoes right on top. And then we'll just top it with our chopped up almonds right on top here, using as a garnish. A lot of colors going on with this dish, and really easy to do, not too hard at all. So to recap on today's recipe, I used about 12 ounces of broccoli crowns. Just kind of trim them into smaller, similar pieces, floret pieces. I used 1 yellow bell pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And the water is gonna vary depending on how high you set your temperature cooking. If the broccoli are getting a little bit overcooked, you can always use a little paper towel to kind of dab some of that liquid. You do want to get rid of most of that liquid before you add the oil. And then just be creative. Use all kinds of colors. You use vegetables that you like, but in this recipe we're utilizing a steaming technique along with a saute technique, and had a lot of fun doing this. I hope you're able to try this one at home. It smells amazing. If you like this recipe and many other really great recipes, you can find that at the GoodHealthTV.com/recipes website. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.